Hello, welcome to my video. Today we have a beautiful tattoo on our leg. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we want to teach how to put a temporary tattoo on the body and how to maintain and care for it. To apply a temporary tattoo, we must first remove it from its skin, and on the contrary, let's stick to the body and pour water on it with a sprinkler and gently massage it with your hand. Massage gently for 1 minute. To take care of the tattoo, first, you should be careful not to drink cold or hot water. You should not take a bath when you have a tattoo. Be sure to take a shower before getting tattooed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Be careful not to stick the tattoo anywhere and do not see the heat. And now you can enjoy your beautiful tattoo, and whenever you want, you can wash it with soap and water, or wipe it with a wet cloth and get a new tattoo in the same way that I taught you. Be sure to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what your next tattoo should look like and where to tattoo on the body.